Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hazim bin Muhammad Yushazali, and my supervisor is Dr. Muhammad Zaki bin Zakaria. So now I will be presenting my FYP proposal, which is OCR-based car plate recognition using convolutional neural networks integrating with Raspberry Pi. Okay, so this is my research background. So the background of my project, which is the vehicle plate recognition, is an essential element of the parking system, which involve the identification and acknowledgement of license plates under various circumstances. Malaysian plates exhibit a diverse arrangement of letter types, size, and irregular illumination, resulting in a diversified and unique visual appeal. Okay, next about Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi is a single board computer which has gained popularity in IoT application due to its affordability, adaptability, and user-friendly nature. Well, this is the study that I found based on my project, which is the further research and improvement is to enhance the accuracy of the car plate detection in extreme conditions such as heavy rain, fog, or complete darkness. Okay, for probable statement, in Malaysia, car plate detection and recognition system face unique challenges due to its country's diverse license plate styles and illumination condition. So the different in font style make it more difficult for the system to accurately identify and differentiate individual character. This varying condition make it difficult for the cameras to capture clear images about the license plate. So to face these challenges, develop a new smart parking system that offer car plate detection and recognition that are specifically designed for Malaysian condition. Okay, next is objective. So the first objective is to identify an algorithm for car plate recognition, and the second one is to design an OCR-based car plate recognition model using Raspberry Pi, and the last one is to develop a real-time car plate recognition system and IoT website or mobile application. Okay, so this is the research question. The first one is how can the challenges of varying illumination condition in Malaysia be improved? The second one is how can the plate recognition model and influence algorithm for real-time performance and on the Raspberry Pi platform be optimized? And the last one is how can an user-friendly interface for parking administrators and users to interact with the system effectively be designed? Next is scope. So the first one is to develop a couplet recognition system. So the variable that will be investigated is system accuracy, reliability, and scalability. And the method will be used is developed using variety of hardware and software component, including Raspberry Pi, cameras, OCR engine, and an IoT platform. Okay, so this is the significance. So this project have potential to make a significant positive impact on society, such as the first one is drivers, which is reduce time and frustration for them, and the second one is parking lot operator that improve efficiency and effectiveness of their parking lot. And the next one is cities, which reduce traffic congestion, and the last one is significant contribution to research community. Okay, so this is the connection diagram for my LR table. So for the domain, I have four domain, which is the first one is computer vision, the next one is embedded system, parking management, and also the last one is Internet of Things or IoT. So for the technique use, is machine learning algorithm, which is the first one is convolutional neural network or CNN, RCNN, which is region-based convolutional neural network, optical character recognition or OCR, and the last one is hybrid approach. For the related work, I have also include the limitation, contribution, technique use, and also the effectiveness. Okay, so this is the related work that have the same domain but different technique. So for the first article, what I have found is the author used the thresholding, morphological method, and also content detection, and also use the canon and classification for improving the accuracy. For the second article, the author utilized the random forest classifier for the character recognition, and the results show that 90.9% accuracy for their proposed method. Okay, next is the related work that have the same technique but different domain. So for the first article, what I found is the domain is traffic congestion prediction, but the method used is the supervised machine learning, which is the convolutional neural network. So for the second article, the domain is smart traffic light system, but the technique used is image processing with YOLO V8 algorithm. Okay, so this is the methodology of my project. So for the first one is preliminary study. This part consists of identify the research background, objective, problem statement, and others. The next one is knowledge acquisition, which is consists of reading the journal or article based on the project. The next one is data acquisition, which is retrieving the data from GitHub, Kaggle, or any other source. The next one is data preprocessing, which is consists of data labeling, data speed, image resizing, grayscale conversion, and others. The next one is augmentation. This part is where the geometric transformation method will be applied, which is flip and rotate the image. The next one is model design, which test the data on YOLO V8. YOLO V8. The next one is model development, which is train the data on YOLO V8. The next one is model evaluation, which is evaluate the performance of the models. And next is the system development. This part is where I configure the Raspberry Pi device, camera, and implement the CNN model to my project. The next one is system evaluation, which is gather the feedback for evaluation. And lastly, documentation. This part is where the full report will be made. So what I expect from this project is the project is a functional and reliable that can be used to improve the management of parking in a real world environment. So this is the example interface for my system and also the schematic diagram for my project. This is the Gantt chart throughout my project.